How to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. Let's get started. If you're also getting this kind of pop-up in a device, now how can you fix it? For that, launch your settings. Then scroll down. Navigate to the option of Safari. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. Here towards the option of Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Check in for the option of All History. Enable for the option of Close All Tabs, and then click on Clear History. With that, you have just cleared cache and cookies for the Safari browser. Once you do that, you can head back. Now here towards the option of General, open it. Go ahead and click on the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Now from here, you have to delete or offload the unused apps. Open any of the app that you don't use. Then go ahead and click on Upload App or the Delete App option. Apply this process for all the apps that you don't use. After you do this, you can head back. Head towards the main page of settings. Then click on your Apple ID. Navigate to the option of iCloud. Click on the option iCloud Backup. Disable for this option and then again enable it and then click on Backup Now. Likewise, head back. Click on the option of Manage Account Storage. Now click on the option of Change Storage Plan. Over here, you're gonna find different storage options: 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB. Select the option of your choice and then click on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Once you do that, your problem will be resolved. So this is how you can easily fix your iPhone cannot be backed up issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.